In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, the pressure for manufacturers to implement more cost-effective and energy-efficient practices is ever-growing. This global shift toward environmental accountability has pushed companies and stakeholders to set ambitious sustainability targets. But how to achieve those goals is not often clear. Now, with Proficy for Sustainability Insights, part of GE Vernova's leading suite of Proficy software solutions, manufacturing leaders have the tools they need to address these demands head-on and better navigate this new era of sustainability. Proficy for Sustainability Insights is designed with a centralized dashboard and proprietary AI-based software that can help visualize resource usage, analyze performance relative to expected rates, and even recommend changes or automatically adjust control set points to minimize resource consumption. These actionable AI-driven insights can help operations and sustainability leaders identify hidden opportunities to use resources more efficiently, such as switching off unnecessary equipment and optimizing the balance of support equipment, including boilers, heat pumps, air compressors, and more. Proficy for Sustainability Insights empowers manufacturers to take immediate action in operationalizing their KPIs. Whether you have one plant or hundreds, this software is designed to establish benchmarks for utility usage. Explain how your current practices are impacting your facility's environmental footprint, and highlight opportunities to optimize your use of resources. Manufacturing leaders can feel that operational and sustainability objectives compete against each other. With Proficy for Sustainability Insights, these two critical priorities can be better managed together to balance production goals with environmental impact and simultaneously improve profitability without sacrificing operational efficiency. Users of GE Vernova's Proficy software and services recognize its contribution to helping them achieve their energy efficiency, emissions, and water usage goals. As part of this trusted software family, Proficy for Sustainability Insights can help take these results a step further, transforming sustainability from a complex challenge into an achievable reality. Take the next step towards a more sustainable future with Proficy for Sustainability Insights from GE Vernova. Visit the Proficy for Sustainability Insights page on our website to learn more.